My colleague Miles and I want to talk today about living on the edge, evicting threat actors from perimeter appliances. And first of all, before we go into depth and talk about some forensic stuff and some exploits and what's happening right now, we first need to define what exactly edge devices are so we all know what we are talking today. And basically, what we're referring to as edge device is something that sits on the edge of your intranet between your company and the internet. Something which is reachable from the internet, like it should be, like a perimeter firewall, for example. It should be reached from the internet, obviously. Like virtual desktop environments, asset management, and stuff like that. So there's a lot of things which are considered edge devices. And additionally, we're also considering edge appliances. So appliance, again, something which you get from your manufacturer, like a box, which is plug-in, which works. And it does its job and it's secure, more or less. And to put it all a bit more into perspective, what we want to talk today about is edge devices, exploits, and initial access. So basically, what you can see here is a slide from Florian Roth, you maybe know him, and he summarized all the common entry vectors. So on the top, you can see phishing. I think you all know what phishing is. At the bottom, you can see brute force, like passwords, guessing, credential stuffing, all stuff like that. But we are targeting now the middle box, the exploitation, and to be precise, we're targeting this middle box, the vulnerable appliances like Ivanti, Fortinet, Cisco, and stuff like that. There are some other names, we're going to talk about them in a second. But this is the focus of our talk today. So how can you get, as a threat actor, initial access via a vulnerable appliance?
Thank you very much.